Alrighty guys, this is probably going to be like a 2-video mini series on putting the Prelude back together. This is day technically 3. Yeah, Saturday, Sunday. Today I took a little break. Yesterday I thought I paused the music. Don't pay attention to music that's not, you know, yeah. But we're getting there. Just be gentle with it. I don't have anything actually like down, but it's here. It's coming along. This is gonna be a pain to.
I honestly feel like we should just stay off the hood.
I don't know. I don't really think it's that much of a struggle.
I just have S2000.
Yeah, your S2000 and your Integra both go all the way up. I don't know what that's like. I've never had a hood that goes all the way straight up in the air.
I'll wait for the best song.
All torqued down. We've got to lift it up, get everything ready to set the timing. Yay! on what feels like day 1427 with working on the Prelude. I have to set the timing still, but right now I'm gonna pull the oil pan off just to make sure all the gunky gunk from the oil coolant concoction is out. But I think the gasket's leaking anyway, so it's probably just not a bad idea to replace it because I'm not real happy with that gasket kit that I got. Y'all don't buy like full engine gasket kits unless they're from a really well-known brand. Yeah, tip of the day. Yeah, one of the nuts came off and hit me in the eyeball. Alright guys, I failed you. I left my camera in here while I torqued the oil pan on. Got a nut out of the exhaust that got dropped in there. Not by me. And I also kind of connected some stuff up top. Just some, you know, random wires and whatnot. We still haven't been able to get the timing done. One of the camshafts won't actually turn to the upright position, so I don't know what to do. We're waiting for Javier's stepdad still because he said he would come and help us. So hopefully we'll get some help and see what is going on by the weekend. But for now, we're going to get beer and chicken wings because we can.